Potong Beach.
It looks cute though, was it, when I saw the video?
Going to the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary. Pretty stoked. Would this count as a tuk-tuk? No, right? No, I don't think so. Oh, we're just in a pickup truck.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Just realized that. Wish your truck could do this.
Yeah, I don't think this is legal in the States. We're here.
We're here.
Should we have come?
What should we have come? They can't do it. There's elephants everywhere. This is great.
Check your name again over there first.
Oh, okay.
มันคือหมายเลขวันเกิดเหรอ
Oh wow.
กลัวจำไม่ได้
แปลก
Got some watermelon. Oh, here he comes. He's hungry. There you go. No, she wants the corn. She's a corn fan.
Yeah. I don't think she likes me.
They've got to get in there. Let me check.
One?
There you go.
Like, no, I'll feed myself.
Okay. She got it herself.
Yeah.
She got it herself.
Stop feeding me.
Don't feed me. I got it. Just put it in the trunk. Just in Thailand with elephants. Living the life. I'm actually gonna start working now. Start feeding this. She thinks she's waiting on me. Get back to work.
She's like, you're too slow. You don't want watermelon, though.
She thinks you're a corn.
They don't have it anymore.
You just stay forward. Daisy's buoy for the GoPro is going to be called the corn. I gotta say, it's one of the coolest things we've ever done.
Yeah. Hi.
It's mine. It's mine.
It's like, get it all in.
You can't stop me. I'm taking all of it. I don't care what you say. I'm busted and it was worth it. Still taking it. Still mine. I'm in trouble and I don't care. Share. No. You can't make me share.
It's mine. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that.
Oh.
Aww.
And peace. It's called a truce.
He's helping him sweep.
Yeah. It's pretty awesome.
It is.
It's like you go to the zoo, you're like, oh, look, an elephant. I wish I could touch it. But over here, I'm like, fuck, I'm just feeding this elephant corn. It's waiting on me. I think I'm pretty sure it's getting annoyed with how long it's taking for me to peel corn.
I know, right? And it was 4 of us.
I know.
4 of us doing work. And it was still
You still weren't fast
swallowing
enough.
down.
It's just corn. Just peel it and give it to me.
Yeah.
What's the holdup? Whatever elephant.
Whatever. But then again, it was, what, like 73 years old?
Oh yeah, she was old.
Yeah.
Old and impatient.
Yeah.
Like a regular old lady. Just hurry up. Just hurry up. What are you waiting for?
And I think that's the only one that we actually peeled the corn for, right?
Oh yeah, because everyone else was just eating the corn.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta peel it. What? She's particular.
Yeah. Right.
That's what it's at.
Hey, wow!
It's mine. This is happening.
Yeah.
In Thailand. Swimming with elephants. What is life? She's coming. Backside. Oh, shit. Snuck up on me. Came out of nowhere.
She is huge. Oi, 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 oi. Yeah, it is. I almost got squished.
Daisy's gonna think twice before she walks in between two elephants.
I know.
I feel like an elephant. Being brushed in the shower.
Feels good, huh?
French fries though? because they're Thai French fries.
Today is a good day.
Today is a good day. It's always nice when lunch is included, that's for sure. Alright, so we're in Coron. Coron? Coron?
I thought you said Karen.
Well, I think I call it Karen, but I think it's Coron
Okay.
or Coron Beach. I don't really know.
Something like that.
But we pretty much have the afternoon free, so we thought we'd just walk the city and see what's out here. Maybe find some souvenirs, some street food.
See what kind of trouble we can get into.
Daisy wants her massage, so we get to get into that.
Yeah, because apparently they're like $3 or something.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Yeah. Let's see what I found out here. And of course, it's raining.
Of course.
What kind of adventure would it be if it didn't rain?
Thank you.
Let the street food begin. Oh, I gotta work for it. Gotta work it. Good.
Little chewy. Yeah.
Little chewy. Oh yeah. There's chewy. Very good now. I'm good.
Hopefully we don't get sick off of this.
Yeah, here's the hope we don't get sick tonight. It's funny because these temples are practically everywhere,
Yeah.
but they still seem unique. And you can never get tired of how beautiful they are.
They all have their own unique architecture.
Or maybe they don't, but we just think they do.
True.
I don't know.
Oh, that's cool.
It's beautiful. What could possibly make Daisy? What could possibly make her laugh this much?
Oh god, it tickles. It tickles so much.
Yeah.
Dạ, dạ gì bò.
She's ridiculous.
Bên đuôi đuôi này.
I mean,
Bang qua chặt tón mày.
it's a weird feeling. It's a weird feeling. It's not that weird. I mean, Daisy's enjoying life right now.
Đây, ồ mày rồi.
It just tickles so much.
I'm not sure if anyone's ever had this reaction before. I mean, there's
Gặp con nào mà.
numerous people just staring right now.
Còn con nữa.
Okay.
Did you last 20 minutes?
Con nào mà. Con nhà mình. Điไม่ดีนะพี่ดู
You're ridiculous.
Oh my god. Oh my god. They're not tickling you?
I mean, it's a weird feeling, yeah. I could feel like a little suction. Think of if you could have like little suction cups that just kind of just like nipple at you. That's what it feels like. It feels weird. Yeah, that's what's going on right now. I think this is a great time to ask Daisy just a number of questions, but I don't think she could even form an answer if she wanted to. You good? Okay, now you can talk about your massage now? Where they beat the crap out of you?
Yeah. I mean, her hands are very firm.
Short hands.
They were.
ice cream roll.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's good.
It's good.
That's good.
That face was like, oh, shake. You gotta try this. You can't believe this. Found a little highway restaurant thing. I don't know. Anyways, this is what we're looking at. Got coconut milk with chicken soup. These got with a green curry.
Mm-hmm.
Green curry with pork.
With pork. But it tastes like chicken, so I don't know.
Questionable at best. Edible,
Yeah.
delicious,
Yeah.
yet questionable. Okay, just finished what I would presumably call dinner. And I wanted to film one particular thing that was going on in there, but it just wasn't what you would call appropriate.
No, not at all.
So we're chilling. I'm enjoying my coconut soup.
Mm-hmm.
Daisy's enjoying her curry. And as we're just, you know, taking it all in, there was one more thing to also take in. We're just eating, and out of nowhere comes this little boy on a bicycle.
5, 6?
Oh no, he was just larger. I'd say he's
Oh.
probably like 4.
Oh, okay.
He's probably like 4. He's on his bike with training wheels, and he's just riding his bike throughout like the restaurant area. But here's the kicker. Motherfucker was butt naked. No clothes on his little bicycle, zigzagging in and out of the tables of this restaurant. And me and Daisy are just kind of like,
You can't stare. Don't
okay,
stare.
this is happening. Admiring the ceiling, and it's like, wow, this is super awkward. And so the waitress was, I think, Grandma. Grandma was the waitress, and little guy is just pedaling his little heart out, and Grandma's chasing him around the restaurant. You can't make this kind of stuff up, man. This really happened.
With underwear in her hand.
Yeah. Please put on clothes. We have paying customers eating our food. And I'm just like, under any other circumstance, this would just be like grounds for immediate, I'm getting up and walking out and saying, what's wrong with you people? And I want my money back and blah, blah, blah. We're like, Thailand.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe it's not a Thailand thing. Maybe it's just
Them.
them thing. But I didn't really mind it. It was like, whatever.
Yeah.
I just want to enjoy my coconut milk soup.
And I wanted to enjoy my curry.
It was good.
It was pretty much a dinner with a show.
Yeah, it was dinner with unasked for entertainment.